This is an overview of the askSlim Trade Idea platform. At askSlim, we believe trading plans should be an important part of a trader's process, and the objective of Trade Ideas is to show you how we put structure around our analysis to develop a sample trading plan. Here are the basic components of a trade plan that we include in our Trade Ideas trading plans. They include the position bias, whether it be bullish or bearish, the market outlook period, whether it be near term, which we note as 1 to 5 trading days, short term, which is 1 to 3 weeks, or intermediate term, which is 3 to 8 weeks, the trade type, whether it be a momentum continuation trade or a counter trend, among others, the favorable entry, the target zones, the reevaluation level, and lastly, the technical briefing and any notes. So how do we evaluate our performance? So we have 3 different buckets. The first one is the trade idea satisfied conditions, and this means that the underlying symbol got to within 1% of the favorable entry and then trades to within 1% of the target zone. The second is the trade idea entered target range. This means that the underlying symbol did not get to within 1% of the favorable entry, but did trade into the target zone. And the third bucket is trade idea did not satisfy conditions. And this means that the trade idea underlying symbol breaks through the reevaluation level. And this is just our disclaimer, and it just really says that all of this information is for entertainment and educational purposes only and should not be construed as investment or trading advice. Please consult with your financial professionals prior to making any investment or trading decisions. So let's go ahead and jump into the Trade Ideas platform. Okay, so this is the Trade Ideas platform with all of the core parts that we talked about in the presentation. I want to highlight the status column right here, and there are 3 different colors you will see here. You will see either yellow, green, or red. Yellow means that the trade idea has not yet entered the favorable entry, so in our case has not gotten to within 1% of the favorable entry. Green means that it has traded to within 1% of the favorable entry. And red means that the trade idea is inactive. Now, there are 3 different cases in which we would inactivate a trade idea. The first of which is if we trade through the re-evaluation level. The second is if we trade into the target zone. And the third is if we see price action that, in our view, is not constructive to seeing follow through in the direction of our bias, we would then proactively inactivate the idea. So those are the 3 core cases in which we would inactivate a trade idea. What I also want to highlight is this bell in the bottom right hand corner right here. And this bell is our notification bell. So anytime we make any changes to our trade ideas, you can now be notified through an in-browser notification. So I just want to show you how that works. So I'm going to first unsubscribe, and this is what it will look like for you. The bell will be very bold and blue like this. So you'll want to click on that and click subscribe, and then it'll go ahead and say that you have subscribed to our notification service. So anytime we make any changes, you will be notified through your browser. The last thing I do want to highlight here is if you scroll down, you'll see a list of links here, and these are all trade idea posts that really go along with the trade ideas that we publish in this platform. So you'll want to click on the trade idea, and we will just show Hilton in this case. So the first thing you'll see is for our level 3 members, you will gain access to the weekly and daily snapshot of our cycle analysis. So you can see what we're really looking for here in this underlying symbol. And what you'll also see is a trade idea video walkthrough right here. And this is very helpful because it's about a 3 to 5 minute video on average, and it will walk you through what we're seeing in the weekly and daily cycle analysis and why we believe this is a long side or a short side trade idea. So it's a really good way to learn and internalize a lot of the concepts that we talk about in all of our videos. And you will also, if you keep scrolling down on that page, you will see Trade Ideas platform on this page as well for your convenience. The last thing that I wanted to point out is for our level 4 members. So if you scroll back up on this chart and click on Dashboard, and then scroll down and go to the Chart Grid Archive and Chart Templates button, which is right here. Here you will see the Trade Idea Grid Archive for each month. And what this is it is a set of links with our weekly and daily cycle analysis in there, and it will allow you to upload that work right to your thinkorswim platform, and then you can overlay whatever tools or studies you are currently using with our weekly and daily cycle analysis, and that will really help you to speed up the learning process while also making this analysis and trading process your own, which in the end is what leads to the most long-term success. We hope you found this video walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks again and have a great day.